Hey guys, so today I just wanted to do a really quick video on cutting the neck laminates out of veneer for necks. If you try and run them through a table saw without any sort of support, they do usually just explode. I used to run them through the table saw but have a block of wood, like say this, going the other side of the blade, but that meant my hand was getting really close to the blade and I didn't like that. So what I do now is I've ran this, it's quite a long strip of MDF, and I cut a channel in it essentially. I cut it the same the width as the depth I want the veneers. So if you have them on the side, I want them 26mm thick. So the distance from the blade to the fence is 26mm. So that's for the channel, and then essentially I just line it all up against the fence, and this now offers support to the veneer on both sides of the blade, so it's not going to chip out and it's definitely not going to explode. It's a lot safer now because even if I do run my hand technically over the blade is below the surface considerably, so it's not really that dangerous anymore. I'm going to try and do this cut without the full phone falling over. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. You have a perfectly cut strip, clean ends either side, and a proper thickness.